In today's problem, it reads, on Friday, the temperature at 8 a.m. was 49 degrees and rose at a constant rate of 1/2 a degree Fahrenheit per hour until noon. A cold front passed through at noon, and the temperature then fell at a constant rate of 1 degree Fahrenheit per hour. The temperature first fell between 49 degrees Fahrenheit between what times? Okay. So at 8 a.m. it was 49. So at 9 it was 49 and a half because it rose at 1/2 a degree per hour. At 10 it was 50 degrees. 11, 50 and a half. 12, 51. All right. So then 1 p.m., after that it fell at 1 degree per hour. So then it was 50. And then at 2 p.m., it was at 49. And then at 3 p.m., it was 48. So the question is, when did it fall below 49? Well, it was 49 degrees at 2, so then it fell between 2 and 3 p.m. So the answer is C.